Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your password on Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, tap on the More icon at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Settings. Select Account Info. Tap on the Edit icon opposite to Password. Now go ahead and type in your current password. Once you're done, type in your new password. Type in your new password once again to confirm it. Once you're done, tap on Update. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your password on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.